Now over in St. Ann, the parish is seeing an unprecedented number of homeless people. We spoke with St. Ann's Bay Mayor Sydney Stewart about the issue. If the coronavirus was not enough, the St. Ann Municipal Corporation has another emerging situation on its hands.
We have had an increased number of street people, not just in St. Ann Bay, but across the parish.
The number of homeless people has been growing since the onset of the coronavirus. Some of them, like these two women, have fallen on hard times. They were mere strangers before, but now they share the same space outside this building, which houses the St. Ann's Bay Post Office and the police divisional headquarters for the parish. Jennifer Duncan tells us she's a former accountant and entrepreneur.
People that know that I'm not an idiot. I've seen me out here and there, some of them cry. Say, what are you doing out here? No, you're such a nice person, you're a bright girl.
Pauline Smith says she's from Portland.
I'm not family them, but they are in the state, but I know I have a phone to get in touch with them. Yes. I have the phone, I know, and the phone not working. So I don't have a phone to get in touch with them.
Both women agree that living on the streets is dangerous.
People are saying that the insane men will rape you. I think the men who are more sane will do that, to be honest. Yes, because they think you are not collective. Because if you were collective, you would not be out here submitting yourself, say, as street persons and liable to be raped. So those are the ones that I'm afraid of more than the other men. I'm afraid of the insane men, especially when they're hungry and wanting smoke and you don't have anything to offer them. They may attack you.
The municipality has now had to increase its street feeding program to 7 days a week. The mayor says he's met with other groups which have a similar initiative with a view to coordinating their efforts. He says one option is to put some of the homeless people in the infirmary. But here's the problem.
The infirmary is full to its capacity at the moment, but very regularly you will have space. So the investigation is done by the police department. It goes to the respective committee and there's an approval. So these people are all on a waiting list.
For now, the Poor Relief Department is getting new data on the number of homeless people in St. Ann. The authorities say dealing with this problem requires all hands on deck.
From the Ministry of Health perspective, we try to ensure that we engage these individuals, we take them in at opportune times, we give them food, we do haircuts, we give them food, and all of those kind of things. We give them medical treatment, so we have a physician that goes and examines. But of course, that is what we can do. We really don't have a place to put them, which would be ideal for them to be, engaged a little bit better.